How to recover corrupted MySQL database with Stellar Phoenix Database Repair. Stellar Phoenix Database Repair for MySQL is one of the most reliable, efficient and secure tools which helps to recover all damaged InnoDB and MyISAM tables of MySQL database. It helps to effectively retrieve all MySQL database including tables, relations, data type, primary keys, triggers, queries of views etc. This tool's also able to execute recovery on Linux platform. Before starting the recovery process, firstly, you have to copy database and IB data 1 files from your Linux PC to Windows system and then starts operation. Some key features of Stellar Phoenix software. This software helps to recover all corrupted MySQL database without changing their original formatting. It provides the facility to retrieve the MySQL data which has been created on Linux computer. This software provides the facility to see the object after the scan. It supports primary MySQL database engines. This software helps to repairs relationship constraints, table property and key of both MyISAM and InnoDB tables property. Additional advantage of Stellar Phoenix Database Repair software. This software helps to perform various functions to customize the tools and get desired looks. It provides the facility to recover multiple databases in one attempt. This software allows saving of recovered database on MySQL, HTML, XLS, and CSV. It supports MySQL 3.x, 4.x, 5.x and 6.x. This tool easily runs on Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and the latest versions of Windows 10. Stellar Phoenix Database Repair software is awarded by Connect, Tuckos. You can install the free versions of this software to know the working process of this application. But, the free versions of this software has some limitation. So, you can buy the paid versions of Stellar Phoenix Database Repair software to get the more advanced features. For more information, visit www.freesoftx.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this videos.